Good afternoon, everyone. So today we discuss about the Intel in introducing the first microprocessor chip in 1971. So this is the Intel microprocessor chip in 1971. The oldest CPU center processor unit is the Intel 4004, which was released in 1971. It is the first single chip microprocessor and also is ng Intel cooperation na sina Marcian Ted Toof, Stanley Mazzo, and Federico Fagen. The 4004 CPU was original designed for use in calculator and was capable of performing around 60,000 operations per second. The Intel 4004 had a 4-bit data bus, a clock speed of 740 kilohertz, and could address up to 640 bytes of memory. So, it is the built using the MOS or metal Odis semiconductor processor and had 2,300 transistor. Despite it is limited, and the Intel 4004 was a significant breakthrough in the history of computing as it is paved the way from the development of more powerful and advanced microprocessor. It is also the foundation for the Intel 8008, 8080, and 8086 CPU, which were instrumental in the growth of the personal computer industry. So, the Intel 4004 was a groundbreaking achieved in the field of microprocessor. Bago to ilabas is karamihan sa mga electronic calculator gamit ng mga discrete logic circuit na binubuo ng mga individual na transistor, and at napakalaki at mahal at nangangailangan ng malaking halaga ng kuryente ginamit na calculator. So the 4004 microprocessor, on the other hand, was a single chip that integrated all the necessary components for calculator, including the central processor unit, memory, and input-output control, or this made in the much more efficient, cost-effective, and reliable than the discrete circuits. So, ang Intel 4004 ay may bilis na oras na 740 kilohertz na sinasabi na ito ang mabilis na chip nung panahon dati at maaring magsagawa ng humigit kumulang na 6,000 operation per second. And at mayroon itong 4 na bits na data bus na nangangailangan ng nangangahulugan na maaari itong mag-process ng 4 na bits ng data sa oras, and could address 640 bytes of memory. And also, ang pagbuo ng Intel 4004 is collaborate ang mga engineer ng Intel Cooperate and Japanese calculator manufacturer Busicom. And then, the chip was the original design from use in Busicom calculator, but Intel later realized its potential for the other application. So, dati, ang chip is original in the Busicom calculator. Pero na-realize ng Intel na madaming potential para makagawa ng mga application. the Intel 4004 paved the way for the development of the more advanced microprocessors such as the Intel 8008, 8080, and 8086, which become widely used in personal computer and other electronic device. So, ngayon, today, microprocessor used in the vast array of device from smartphone and tablets up to car and home appliances, and ngayon is kino-continue to be as essential components of modern computing. So, yung yung microprocessor chip is dati is yun yung ginagamit nila para makagawa ng operation or application, kasi yung microprocessor chip is yun yung pinaka malawak or madami siyang malalagyan na memory, and also siguro nasasabi natin pinaka ay mura kaysa doon sa dating ginagamit nila, na which is yung mga ibang calculator is kailangan pa ng madaming chip para lang mabuo or ma-operate yung calculator. So, yun. Thank you.